it's minutes until you're supposed to start your Zoom meeting and you're running around like a chicken with your head cut off trying to get everything together and ready. Today, we're going to talk about the essential things that I do before starting any of my live lessons. And these are things that you should be doing too. My name is Emily, and this is Teaching from the Couch, where I help teachers create amazing online classrooms without losing their time or their sanity. In the years past, we had our routines down to a science. We knew exactly what we were doing when we were in class. But now that we're at home, it all seems to have gone out the window. If you're ready to dive into all the things you should be doing before you even start class, hit that like button below and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is be sure to take care of yourself. Hit the bathroom, fill up your water bottle, and have it nearby so that it's easily in reach. And eat something if you can, preferably with protein, which will help you last throughout the day. Some other things that are essential to have is a writing utensil. I prefer flare pens and all the assorted colors. You should also have any specific supplies you need for that specific class, such as a book or manipulatives or whatever you need for a demo. I've also printed off my attendance sheets, so I need to make sure that I have these nearby so that I remember to take attendance and that it's easy to do. Make sure you have all of your tech gear too, like wireless mouse, this is essential, and your charger. You don't want to be searching for this in the middle of a Zoom class and have your computer die. Some things that aren't essential but are really, really nice to have include chocolate. Everybody needs a little bit of boost to their energy system in the middle of the day. A blanket. Sitting on your couch all day can get a little bit chilly, and it's just really cozy. So let me know in the comments the things that are essential for you when you're teaching online. And be sure to check out the video right here to make sure your Zoom is set up correctly before you even start your live lesson.